everybody, and welcome back to another one of my videos. I'm down at the allotment, and this time I've brought my harness. I've got the strimming to do. As you can see, the grass is getting a bit out of hand. My neighbour started strimming his one, so I've got to continue and get my one cleaned up as well. So that's what I'm going to be doing for today. Once I've done, I'll show you what's going on, and then I'll show you what's going on with the plot. Although I do a few videos showing what's going on with the plot, people are still requesting to see what's going on. We've had the allotment for coming up to 6 months now, and we've made leaps and bounds of improvement, so people want to see the progress what we're making. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll show you what's going on with the rest of the plot. Right everyone, so I've strimmed it down. I'm just hot and tired. Today's really hot, but you know, you've got to do things, otherwise things just start getting out of hand, and that grass always keeps getting out of hand. So I'm just piling it up now so I can put it on my compost pile. So just going along it, getting it swept up. As you can see, I'm still strimming and taking down some of my plants at the same time. Sorry about the aeroplane noise. Right, so we've got it to more or less where we want it. It's not as low as you would want it. You would want it disappearing. If I had a chance to get rid of it, I would. And then just have it all paths or something. But you've got to work with what you've got. So that's it strimmed. I don't know, can see a butterfly got under my net. Don't know how he got underneath there. So that means that there's going to be some eggs there somewhere, laying eggs, if it's a female one. So that's what you don't want. But I'm going to water in a minute anyway. Right, so as you can see, everything's going down now. The broccolis, I've still got some shards what I left in from the last time. Still got some broccoli left in from the last time. Got some cabbages, different cabbages. We've been harvesting these. I think I've taken about 5 or 6 out of there, so that's how crowded it was. Still got some corn over there. Let me go over there, show you. Still got some corn. Still got this New Zealand spinach. I've got to pick that the next time I come down. And the flowers are still coming, the gladiolis and everything. The beans are coming, nice butter bean pods. I don't know, I have to find out a bit more. I think you leave those on the tree until when they dry out a bit. And I've got French beans to pick. There's French beans on here. See, the bean pods are coming. They're all mixed together now. So, and then I planted these these ones as French beans, but their pods are going red and spotted. So I don't know what those are. Got to come round. These corns are small, but they're, and look, I've chopped off one as well, like I usually do. Use that one to see if any's in there. The sweet potatoes, what's out here, you can see is doing very well. The peppers, the lettuce, I've still got some lettuce. I picked some of those on Sunday. I have to come around this side, cameraman. And I'll see if I can see any French beans. Seen some. So we've got to pick all these French beans. And I'm going to pick these French beans and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everyone, so I've just got a few French beans to take home. So I'm going to take this home for my dinner tomorrow. Got all this spiders and everything I can see. Right, so just leave those there. So I'm going to sweep up this grass down there and then I'll be back and I'll show you the polytunnel and the rest of what's going on, what's drying up and what I can harvest and that. But I can see these butter beans are getting some big pods on them. But they're getting some big pods. But I think you have to leave them until when they're dry, I think. But I'm gonna have a look into that because it's the beans what you want, not the pods. So you can see how much it's flowered. But there's a few pods around, but not as much as you would like. So there's a lot of pollinator bees and that around, so hopefully we should be all right. Just looking in there if we've got any corns to pick. What's really dry on the top. I can see something's been pecking them now. Look at it. We'll have a look in a minute or see if there's any what I can harvest. Right, so I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everyone, so I've finished strimming for today because my back can't take no more and it's hot. So I'm just going to give you a quick run up of the plot what everyone keeps asking for, though I'll show as much as I can. That's my rhubarb, you can see it's coming along. But, that's what someone gave me, I just put it there because we're not really keen on them. Then my rose bushes are budding up again, so I need to deadhead these the next time I come down and get all these stinging nettles and these green stuff out, what's not needed. Then I need to tie up these rose bushes so that they're not hanging over. You can see my yellow courgette is still got 2 on there, so I think those might be the last 2. We've had loads off of there, can't remember how many. My peppers just flowering up again. Got some green peppers. I'll let my cameraman go in a bit more because this is a different lens. I still haven't got another lens yet. Right, then I've got some green chili peppers on there to pick. Just 2 I think I can see. Is it 2? No, there's another one here. Right, so I've got some chili peppers here. I don't know how hot these are. My pepino is just flowering. I can't see no fruits or anything on there. This is one of my pumpkins. Got a plant. I've got 2 little ones down the front here. Got 2 little ones there. Don't know. I've took the head off, so I don't know if they'll come. And I've got loads of mixed chilies in here. Red ones. Let's get some of these red ones out. Every year we grow chilies, and I think we've still got some of last year's one in the freezer. My brothers them came up now, they've got some of these, but they live in London, so got to pick the ones what's bigger to put more energy back into the plant. Right, come around this side, got aubergines flowering up, nothing. This is a pepino what's flowering, and then got pumpkin down here and one up here. The other one was up here, harvested that. I haven't letting it dry off. I've got a big courgette there. Gonna have to harvest it because we don't like them when they're big, so that's a courgette, it's not a marrow. Right, let's put these around here. Every time I come down here, I always forget to bring a bag to put these peppers are just going to fall through, so don't know where to put them. I have to put them on top of here and then pick them out afterwards. Right, so that's that. I gave away a load of cucumbers on Saturday. Every time you come down here, I think this might be the last of them now actually. Right, got a butternut squash down here. Got butternut squash there, a pumpkin there, coming on to a nice size. No courgettes on that one, so that's look like that courgette's given enough now. Just seeing if there's any more cucumbers in between. There might be the odd one or two in here. I saw one here. So every time you come down, you're getting stuff. So that's the cucumbers. Now all I've got left to show you is my polytunnel. Alright, let my cameraman go, see if he can get in there. Move this out of the way. Sorry, just a... Right, let my cameraman go in. You can see my sweet potatoes still growing and taking over everywhere. My banana plant is all okay. I've got a little watermelon on that plant up the top there. A little one, that's the only one what's come. Right, I've still got loads of tomatoes on my tomato plant, needs watering. My ginger's doing okay. My Edo is starting to bulb up now, I think, underneath, so it looks like there's bulbs underneath there. Right, let me come back this way. My sugar cane's doing okay. I don't know if it's going to get any taller or what it's going to do, but it's there. This is a sweet potato I brought from home. This is meant to be physalis. It looks nice and healthy and green in here. Another pepino down there. my orange tree, my guava's coming up really nice, and the peppers in the pot and the lemon trees behind that. I've got okras in here. And then the most thing what's in here is that grass what's getting taller and taller every time I come down here. But once I get round to harvesting, then I'll have to sort out the flooring and everything in here. Don't know if this polytunnel is going to last through the winter because it's very weak and very blowy. So that's what's going on down here. I think I've shown you everything. Got a callaloo plant there what just yellowed up because I think it was in there, but it's not done anything. And that's mostly it. I think I showed you my corn, my cho-cho, you can see from here is just still green, no fruits on it or anything, so I don't know, just have to leave it there and hope for the best. So that's what's going on down here. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We do get back to you on them, although it might take us a couple of days or so, but we do eventually get back to you on them, even if it's just to leave a heart to say that we've read it, or sometimes we leave a little comment like thank you or whatever, we leave that. So if you want to ask questions and we see that they're a question, we'll try and answer as many as we can. So hope you're all enjoying the channel. Subscribe, tell your friends to subscribe. If you've got children into gardening and they're just starting off, tell them they can subscribe to this channel. There's nothing on here what shouldn't be on here. It's all about gardening. There's nothing else. So I hope you all enjoy this one, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care.